How to buy domain and hosting from Hostinger. So if you want to go ahead and get domain and hosting, Hostinger is one of the most affordable and beginner-friendly hosting companies, which makes it a popular choice for anyone starting a website. So simply go over to their homepage and you're going to be seeing options for web hosting. Okay. So to get that, you can simply go over to the hosting main homepage, and over here you can see a lot of different plans. So there's the premium hosting, the business hosting, and the cloud startup. Now, it depends on you on whatever you want. Okay, it depends on the services you want to get. So you could get WordPress hosting, you could get cloud hosting, agency hostings, but we're obviously going to go with web hosting. Here, you're simply going to click on claim deal, get any one of these plans, buy them for yourself. And obviously, let's say I choose the premium plan. Once we have chosen the premium plan, obviously it's going to load us in to the main cart section. And as you can see, it shows us your cart, gives us all of this. So just buy it from here. And that's about it. That is how you can go ahead and buy a domain from Hostinger. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end. And I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.